Welcome to the latest and a unique one-of-a-kind shopping mall based completely on a sports-oriented theme. This is the Dubai Sports Society. What you see here is a unique setup of special day screens with a combination of night screens, all installed in perfect harmony. The team at Blue Rhine Industries fabricated the entire secondary structure and the installation of the screens here, what you see at Dubai Sports Society. Let's move inside to see a little bit more. Behind me is a combination of over 450 square meter of internal LED screens along with a Jumbotron suspended over 20 meter. In addition, we've also installed the 10 meter high transparent LED screen coming on the lift facade. The internal screens and the Jumbotron was a huge challenge to the team, which needed to be completed in a span of 60 days along with the lifting of the complicated Jumbotron. The majority of these works were undertaken during the COVID pandemic along with soaring temperatures which created extremely difficult working conditions. With the teams working round the clock to achieve the narrow timelines, we've been able to deliver a world-class installation just as we do for all our clients and partners across the region. When this mall comes to life, you will be experiencing one of the finest screens installed in this region, and we are excited to be part of this one-of-a-kind shopping experience along with Daktronics.